Welcome to the WIFIRE Firemap. This recording is taking place on August 19th, 2020. This site is the product of a National Science Foundation funded project and is the product of a collaboration with the Los Angeles Fire Department and Orange County Fire Authority. On the left are basic controls for zooming in and for searching locations and for logging in if you have an account. The Firemap table of contents is in the upper right and is a source for live and historical open data. If you'd like to use the Firemap to investigate active fires, go to the table of contents and click on the Fires drop-down and turn on the satellite fire detections for VIRS, MODIS, and GOES. You'll see that the places where the satellite has detected fire show in red, and there's a legend in the lower left that shows you the color scheme of fires that were detected within the last 12 hours up to the last 7 days. Zoom in to take a closer look. It's important to note that the VIRS satellite detections are about 375 meters per pixel and the GOES detections are 2 kilometers per pixel. So when you zoom in, you'll see that the accuracy of the pixels may not be perfect. Once you've zoomed in, go back to the table of contents and go to the cameras drop-down and turn on the Alert Wildfire and HP-REN cameras. The locations of those cameras appear, and you can see their views in the legend that appears, as well as their central targets. Click on any one of the locations, and a thumbnail of what that camera sees appears. You can click on that thumbnail and see more closely what the camera can see in detail at this moment. Go back to the Firemap into the table of contents, and in the Weathers drop-down you can turn on the weather stations. An additional legend pops up here that allows you to toggle between the temperature, humidity, and wind speeds. This information tells you what direction the winds are blowing in relationship to the existing fire. We hope this video has gotten you started to use the Firemap. Go back to the table of contents and investigate other data sets we have available. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to us at wifire.ucsd.edu.